Good morning everyone, and we are preparing to go away. So we're going to have January abroad. So we are currently in a bit of a state because we're getting Liberty repacked. Hey guys.
So Christmas is done. Tick. It's not quite New Year's yet, but in that funny weird sort of phase of nobody knows what day it is, we're heading to Europe. So we're all packed, kids are strapped, and yes, we are very excited to be hitting the road. So let's go.
We're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on it.
So we have arrived, we've gone through pet check-in, and we have realised that we haven't packed the dog's leads. So great start. So we made a whole 9 minutes in France before our first explosion. Just had this very weird sound going on and we had no idea. But we are learning. Look at us learning.
And the frost valve has dumped open. So, and dropped all our water. Don't know why it's not even at freezing point. There's no, it's cold, but it's not anywhere near that. But the water's all gone. So we have stopped at a station, and luckily we've got our handy 18 litre. So we're going to fill that up and try and reset the valve and see if it works. I've reset the valve, and once this is in, I will then try and prime the pump and see if we've got any water. Okay, so I'm filling up with some more water. We have got the pump working, but it needs priming now to get all the air out. Yay, good news. Look at that. Whoop, 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 whoop. We have water. We have found this. Hello, DPs. We have found this little station. Doesn't look much, but we have some, and it is drinking water. There is fresh water, toilet water, and somewhere to flush your loo. And there's supposed to be a pipework assembly there for emptying your grey, but we don't need it and it's missing anyway. So we were here last year and this was completely frozen up. This thing here was like just a block of ice. So at least it's working now, but it's taking forever to fill my 18 litres. So I think we're gonna just end up doing, I'll end up doing a few of those while you do dinner maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the water drama is no more. So that is it for tonight. We have decided, rather than do another hour and a half and smash through till like 9 o'clock, Claire got hungry.
Good morning. It's freezing. The van's completely iced up. And it's 6:30, I think. But
Oh my
we're
goodness.
going to Spain today.
25, you were 21. Oh, I should have known better then. But my heart was blinded like an old man. I recognized every scene we had, the dusk, the twilight, and the city lights. Oh, I didn't see it coming until it was over. Can we go back to what it was before? Like the bad things never came to us. Ooh, I want to make it all go away. Oh, like time never rained on us. Can we go back and figure out it all? Ooh, 'cause I can't find a way out. Anyone can see I'm hurt to the bone. Oh, 'cause time got the best of us. Yeah. Waking up, it's Sunday morning. Yeah, I don't even know how I got home. Oh, I should have known better than to call you in the night like we're still together. Oh, I am free, but I am falling. 'Cause when it comes to you, I just can't ignore it. 'Cause I never saw you grieve until it was over. Can we go back to what it was before? Like the bad things never came to us. Oh, I want to make it all go away. Yeah, like time never rained over us. Can we go back and figure out it all? Yeah, 'cause I can't find a way out. Anyone can see it hurts to the bone.
Hello.
Hello.
It's 11:30.
It is.
I've been asleep for about 4 hours. But we're awake and we're warm and we're ready to go. Should we do this?
Let's do this.
There it goes.
Good boy.
It's a kiss. A kiss. Happy New Year from Barcelona.
Hey folks, so that is about it from Barcelona. So we are just heading off to... There's somewhere that's about half an hour away that we think we might try just to move further down. So Barcelona has been great. Thank you so much for hosting us to see you in the new year. The dogs have loved it, clearly. So yeah, I think we're going to end this week there, and we will join you next week somewhere else. Who knows? We are going to be touching on Valencia though, so we can't go as far as we're going to our favourite place ever. So we will be at some point in Valencia. But yeah, have a wonderful week, and we will see you next week. So bye bye.